This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Hey Siri to Siri in iOS 17. So if you updated your iOS version to 17, you can easily change Hey Siri to only Siri in just a few steps. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Siri and search, and here tap on listen for. And to change from Hey Siri to Siri, select the first option, Siri or Hey Siri. And now I'm going to opening my Siri by saying only Siri. Siri. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.